As we know, modal verbs play a crucial role in conveying various shades of meaning and expressing necessity, obligation, possibility, and more. One such essential modal verb is must. In this video, we'll explore 20 sentences that showcase the versatile use of the modal verb must. So, let's get started. 1. You must eat your vegetables before dessert. 2. She must study for her exams diligently. 3. We must be punctual for the meeting. 4. Employees must wear proper attire in the office. 5. She must take her medicine after meals. 6. You mustn't speak during the movie. 7. You really must read this book, it's a masterpiece. 8. For a healthy lifestyle, you must exercise regularly. 9. He's wearing a lab coat, so he must be a scientist. 10. The roads are wet, it must have rained recently. 11. She must be exhausted after running a marathon. 12. They must have already left for the airport. 13. I must admit, I prefer tea over coffee. 14. Must I ask for permission to leave the class early? 15. You mustn't use your phone during the exam. 16. Must we follow the dress code for the party? 17. She must be the best swimmer on the team. 18. The package hasn't arrived yet, it must be on its way. 19. You mustn't smoke in this area, it's a non-smoking zone. 20. Employees must submit their weekly reports by Friday. Thanks for watching.